Hi everyone, it's Beth from Sweet Tots Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm with the beautiful Eve, who is a PT. I'll put the link to her Instagram in the description. So today I'm going to show you this really cute, really easy braid style. Let's get started. So we're going to just separate this section of hair across the front. So I'm just going to kind of come halfway up the eyebrow, take my comb, and we're going to come across here, like so. And then we're going to keep flowing with the comb around the front there like that. Trying to keep it straight, not my strongest suit, I must admit. And we're going to go all the way to the nape of the neck. So it's looking a little crazy at the minute, but just bear with me. I'm just going to put this into a ponytail out of the way. So I'm just going to use a little bit of wax spray here, guys, but you could use a little bit of gel or even water would be sufficient. So just a little bit just to stop these babies. So today I am going to be doing a Dutch lace braid, which is just a fancy way of doing a Dutch braid, but only taking the strands from one side. So you'll take that first section of hair, divide it into three. 1, 2, 3, like that. That's your middle section. So we're going to go underneath the middle, underneath the middle, underneath the middle, and now we're going to take a small section of hair. I want this braid to be quite tight today. Underneath the middle, but we're not going to be adding any hair from this side, okay? So again, underneath the middle, add in hair, underneath the middle on this side, but you don't add in hair, and you're just going to do that all the way, trying to make the braid sit on this part line. So just following this hairline all the way round, nice and tight braids. So follow that all the way down, really quickly. If you wanted to soften this style, you could definitely kind of like tease this braid out a little bit, but I'm going to keep mine nice and tight today. So this is where we're just going to kind of like make it look a bit fancier. I'm going to just give a bit of a lift to this hair. I don't like how flat it's sitting. So I'm going to just take hold of this first section here that runs by that braid, lift it up, give it a spray, a bit of a back comb, and look at the difference this is going to make. So now we're going to work on this section here. So obviously it's all flat at the minute and we want a nice lift. So you're going to take that slice of hair, running this way, spray the other side and continue back combing for me. Okay, and then you're just going to get your comb and just slowly take the end of the comb and just start working out this back comb. So I've just decided like to bring some of this hair forward so the braid just swings across right to the nape of the neck, and then it comes just underneath, and then you've just got this little lift just here. Hair comes over the shoulder. I just absolutely love the look of this braid.